Hi, everyone. I'm getting some emails today about how to send me your PDF file of your homework and attach it to the Google form. So what I decided to do was make a quick little video showing you how to do this so there aren't any questions on how to do this. This is something that I want you to master today because if we are home for an extended period of time, most likely this is going to be the way I have you turn in future assignments. So step one is you have to download the Scannable app onto your phone. If you want to use a scanner at home, that's perfectly fine. Whatever means you have of turning something into a PDF, you can use. I just use this app. I like this app. I think it's very easy to use. So if you want to download this app, go for it. Step two, you're going to open the app and you're going to hover your phone over the paper like I have here in the picture. You might have overhead lights on and you might get a shadow. You can see my fingers are in this picture right here. It might be blurry. Your job is to try to make it as clear as possible. When the paper is in focus, the app will take the picture automatically. So if it's blurry after it takes the picture, you're going to want to try to delete it and try again until you get a nice clear picture. Step four, you're going to take all of the pictures that you need for the document. Last night's homework or today's homework is 2 pages. So you should be able to take a picture, as many pictures as you want to. If you see down here, I have 1 page, 2 page here that I was trying to quickly scan for this demonstration. You're going to press the check mark on your phone screen, and that's going to enable you to create your PDF. This is the part that's messing people up right here. Step 6 is actually creating the PDF. Scannable gives you 2 options. First way is that you would be sending a picture of your document. This is what the little picture thing looks like. You do not want that on your screen. You want to make a PDF. So if you hit this button, it toggles and it's going to toggle to this. This is the PDF little button. You want that on the bottom of your screen. So make sure it says PDF in the bottom right-hand part of your screen. After that, you're ready to send it. So in the last slide, you would hit send, and then it'll take you to this screen, and you can actually go through and see how many pages you have, and you should see a little check mark at the bottom of every page that you want to send in your document. You're going to email it to yourself. So hit the email button, and then you're going to type your school email address up here in the email. In the body of the email, you should again see the PDF symbol, knowing that this is a PDF file you are sending. Once you send this to school, you're going to want to get to your email and you're going to save this PDF document to your desktop. I recommend that because then you're going to know where it is on your desktop. Next step, you're going to attach it to the Google form. Fill in the questions, and when you get to this question at the bottom of the Google form, you're going to click Add File. After that, this will pop up and it's going to give you the option to either drag the file here or select from your device. I don't think this drag file here option is working for everybody. So you might have to go and select the files from your device. When you do that, you're going to get this screen, and on the left-hand side, you can see desktop. So click desktop, and then you're going to click on whatever you named your document. Here you can see I have a document that's a PDF called Stats Review Homework Answers. You click that, you should see it here in the upload box, and you're going to click upload. Step 10, you're back to your Google form. There is one more question that I asked you. Did you struggle with any questions on this assignment? So hopefully, besides struggling with submitting the assignment, you didn't have any more problems. But if you do have questions on the assignment, let me know, and tomorrow I'll make a video addressing your questions. And you are going to hit submit. By the way, it's always a good idea to opt to send a copy of your responses to yourself. That way you have verification that this actually went through to me. And there you have it. Ta-da, the end. You just learned how to create a PDF for yourself and how to attach it to a Google form. So if you have any other questions, please email me.